An early-stage startup with a good idea can have a value of €500,000, million euros. If they have the right team, this valuation can increase to €1 or €2 million. But once they have a strategic partner, for example, large corporation, this valuation jumps to €2 to €5 million immediately. And that's why they should join EIT Health, because otherwise it's very hard to get access and to build a relationship and trust with the corporation. But in our community, the corporations pick the right startups because they know that these startups are trained, committed, and they speak the same language as they do.
At EIT Health, we offer various programs for startups in different maturity levels. Our main aim is to build a community of innovative startups and individuals. Once the startups are part of the EIT Health community, that somehow means that they got a quality of label for them for the future to get further support, to get easier access to different opportunities in the ecosystem. Through our programs, the startups will have the chance to attend boot camps, to get mentoring, one-on-one mentoring opportunities, to attend networking activities where they will have the chance to meet different partners, stakeholders, investors, and main industry players in the ecosystem.
The startup founder, the EIT community brings three very important things to us. First, it's a community of like-minded founders, and it's truly a pleasure to connect with such brilliant individuals, hopefully partner with some of them in reaching the same type of clients. The second one is access to mentors and expertise. Over the last few days, I truly learned so much, tips and tricks that I would not have had access to otherwise. And this is all relevant in our field, which is digital health. The third aspect is access to investors who are already looking at the health field, and hopefully it will help accelerate our growth.
The most important benefits of being a part of the EIT community is number one, community. Number two, it's money. And oftentimes it's grant money, which also sounds like a free money to startups, and that's great, especially in the first stages of company development. And then the third thing is media exposure, because with the help of EIT, we get to participate in media activities.
A startup joining the EIT Health community really gains a lot of access to investors within Europe as well as other startups in the industry. I would say the knowledge that EIT Health provides is absolutely invaluable, especially for young startups that often have very deep technical expertise, but need to understand the fundraising environment more intimately. And finally, it's incredibly important for a startup to have exposure to the broader investor network. The more that a startup is exposed to investors, the more they see them, the more likely they are to receive investment from the European network.